Welcome to a world of heroes where your imagination takes flight. Heroes Assemble brings epic, comic-styled adventures to life, with many new Origins classes and more. Create your own superhero, from an agile aerialist to an unstoppable juggernaut. With 5E mechanics, jumping into the action is easy and exciting. Use dynamic abilities and powers to shape your own legendary story. Choose and level up your favorite powers by spending power points. Back it on Kickstarter today and unlock exclusive content and rewards. The city needs heroes. Will you answer the call?